Psychology, the study of behavior and mental processes. Before I dive into why and how we imitate each other's actions, let's begin with a few of the basics. Psychology was officially established in 1879 by a man named Wilhelm Wundt and later evolved into different perspectives with many different researchers studying different things. Some of the perspectives of psychology are biological, humanistic, behavioral, and of course many more. Wilhelm Wundt, a very famous psychologist and philosopher and the father of psychology, established the first psychological lab at the University of Germany. Wundt did many experiments and established different schools of thought, including structuralism and functionalism, just to name a few. Now that you all have a bit of psychology's history, we can now dive into our content. Have you ever seen someone do something that they instantly get in trouble for, so you tell yourself you'll never do that same action? Well, this is called observational learning, simply learning to imitate or not imitate an action based on simply observing others. Or maybe you see someone do something good, so you actually do model that action. This is called modeling, observing a behavior and imitating it. World-famous psychologist and pioneering researcher of observational learning, as many like to call him, Albert Bandura, studied this concept and many more using different experiments. His most famous being the Bobo doll experiment. The children were exposed to violent and aggressive behavior towards a Bobo doll by the adults who were kicking and punching the doll. This experiment is a pillar in the study of observational learning. Something else that is very important when it comes to studying imitation are mirror neurons. Have you ever seen someone drinking a nice glass of ice water on a hot summer day? Maybe the glass is even fogged, so you immediately grab yourself a glass because it just looks so good? Well, your action to imitate someone else by grabbing a glass of water is a result of your mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are located in your frontal lobes and they fire when you observe someone doing something. Because of this, you either imitate the act or feel empathy for the person. Kind of like looking in the mirror and seeing yourself do something. The history and concepts that I shared are just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to psychology, but I hope your new knowledge will help make you more aware of the world around you.